Yeah, pipes like that, big pipes about this big. Yep. And then they have in the water. I just squeeze it and all the water like oozes out all the corners.
You just think it's a pulpy.
Well, it's just...
Yeah, I can just imagine like you having your friends over and then they'll go, this tastes a bit like
I've seen all on the college.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So this amazing cove. Looks like it's the corner of the world where all the rubbish goes. Let's see if there's anything worth salvaging. Lots of shoes, plastic bottles, lots of shoes. More shoes, more shoes, more shoes, more shoes, shoes. Might find some more shoes. Right, whoa! Plastic bottles for gore. So sad. Polystyrene, but this is what I spied, and I'll definitely have that. Nice fender, good size too. There's a ball, more shoes. This is so sad actually. This is sort of like an amazing piece of nature, beautiful, shelly, amazing. Check out this. And then check out this. Polystyrene, plastic bottles, plastic everything. Just people being so careless. It's so sad. Please think about what you do with your plastic. Don't even buy it if you can help it. That's ridiculous. This is just crazy. So, just been working all morning, pulling apart the dinghy to make it all work, and I forgot a little rubber thing and I've dropped it over. One of these little rubber things, that goes in that hole there. So Luca is the, well, yeah, and the best diver in the family. And it's down the bottom. Luckily, the clarity of the water is something incredible, so I don't think it's going to be too hard to find. Get it? Ah, brilliant.
I think I could get it that far down.
That's what I'm about that.
So we're off on a wee walk to see some ruins again.
Yeah, it's called Lydia, isn't it?
Lide
Lide.
or
An
Lide.
ancient town that wasn't very important apparently. Look at Lucy's feet from the veranda.
Ah,
Yeah.
nice. Well, they're drinking water from it. Maybe it's just for the goats. Old farm building. Amazing the places and things you find. This would have been a sliding door, smashed open. There was something underneath. Maybe two tombs. Just walking along in a farmer's paddock really, and then stumbling across some Greek ruins with inscriptions. It'd be so amazing to see this before it all fell down.
Hello.
Just where you collect water. And this is probably one of the few springs.
Oh, that's a little fish.
Lucy, come here.
So I went to make some water today, and there's always something, just about every few days there's something that's an issue on this boat, and problem solving is what it is. So the watermakers were struggling and it was making all sorts of noises, and I thought, shit, this is bad. So I've turned off the watermaker, trying to diagnose what the problem is with the watermaker. I then looked at our watermaker draws the water from the sea via the same intake that the engine uses. So it's the raw water sea intake by the sail drive. I checked the engine and the engine's running fine, and there's water coming out the exhaust pipe, which is supposed to happen. But what I didn't realize is that the volume is quite low. Well, I've worked out that the water is not coming through very quickly to the engine. I mean, it's got a powerful sucking impeller and it's doing its best, but we're very lucky we didn't overheat the engine. I did notice that when the watermaker was working, it was actually drawing water backwards through the engine. So it meant that it was struggling to get it from the sea, which means that the sea intake is blocked. Now I've just sent this GoPro down to have a look and have a look at our sail drive, and sure enough, I think we've found the problem, which I'm pretty happy with. Luca's suiting up now to go and do some diving. Hopefully we can clear it off this side, but how I diagnosed this was at the top of the sea intake is a sieve. It's called a raw water sieve, and I took the hose off there and blew through it, and I nearly burst my ears. It was so hard. So Luca's going to go down and attempt to scrape off the sail drive dropping down. It's just covered, so let's hope this works. What are you going to use?
There's a scraper.
Scrapey thing.
Yeah,
and we've got some weights, and we've got the screwdriver for the little holes.
Yeah.
Award of the year. I think we've solved the problem. I think the watermaker's going good. I don't want to say too much. Touch wood. Thank you. The watermaker's
It's amazing. It's huge.
It's so big.
It's amazing.
Wow. This looks nice.
2 engine.
2 engines.
Yes.
Wow.
1002 engine and each 750.
Horsepower.
2, yeah, horsepower.
Engine. Wow.
Hydraulic, also
Hydraulic.
autopilot.
Oh, yeah.
Autopilot. This
Yeah.
is
Is that
Yeah.
the press?
this is and water and
Oh, yeah.
24, 220.
Yeah. Like a long shot or something that you want, I can put on a Dropbox and you can have that. So this was a nice surprise just now. This beautiful fresh cake got delivered by the Gulet that we just had a little tour and coffee on yesterday. This one right there. And that just proves how wonderful some of these Turkish people are. We've just had so many amazing experiences, and things like this are just so humbling and wonderful.